Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S8 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Samsung. Firstly, go into settings, scroll down and choose wallpapers and themes. Then you need to click on the search bar over here and type wherever you wish to, like browse. Then pick themes over here and select the perfect one. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it and select download. Then wait a bit and tap on apply. As you can see, theme of my Samsung has changed. But if you wish to go back into the default one, you need to access settings again, scroll down, select wallpapers and themes, then click on those three lines at the top left corner, select my stuff, go into themes and tap on the default one. Lastly, just apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!